Itinanghal si Chelsea Manalo as the first ever Miss Universe Asia during the post-pageant press conference ng Miss Universe 2024.
Our next Miss Universe is Miss Universe Asia.
Inaasahang kasama si Chelsea sa mga official trips ng Miss Universe organization, as well as i-travel around Asia. Isa na naman ito sa maipagmamalaki ng mga Pinoy.